In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your website domain on Lovable AI. Now, imagine you're ready for a fresh start, or maybe you've just come up with a snappy new domain name. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through this simple process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your lovable.dev account. This is your starting point. If you haven't logged in already, just hop over to the platform and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to your project. You'll see a list of your current projects there, so go ahead and click on the one you want to update. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your project dashboard. You'll see the project name prominently displayed there. Click on it. Doing this will give you a drop-down menu where you'll find an option labeled Settings. This is the section where all your project configurations live. Once you're in the settings, you'll find several options listed. Among these, there's one labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll come across your current domain for your project, which is exactly what we're aiming to update today. Now, beside your current domain, there should be a small 3 dots menu. Clicking on this will bring up a few more options. Among them, you'll see Edit/Rename. Select that, and you'll be able to type in your new domain name or subdomain. Make sure it's exactly how you want it, because this will be the new identity for your website. Once you're certain, click on Save to secure your changes. After saving your new domain, the next step is crucial. You'll see an update process starts, which involves a verification period and SSL issuance. This process is essential for ensuring your domain is secure and correctly set up. All you need to do is give it a little time, wait patiently, and soon enough, your domain status will switch to live. And just like that, your domain is successfully updated. It's important to mention here that this might take a few moments, so if it doesn't happen immediately, don't worry. It's all part of the process. There you have it. The whole process is as smooth as it sounds. With these easy steps, you can quickly give your website a fresh new name on Lovable AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. See you in the next video.